What if the cappuccinos you drink at home could taste better than the ones you pay for at the cafe, without needing barista skills or a giant, noisy machine on your counter? In this video, we are counting down 7 of the best cappuccino machines you can buy right now, from budget-friendly semi-automatics to a fully automatic, whisper-quiet powerhouse at number 1. By the end, you will know exactly which machine fits your budget, your space, and the way you like to drink your daily cappuccino. 7. CASABREWS 3700 Essential. The 3700 Essential is a compact 20-bar espresso machine that tries to give you that cafe-style cappuccino experience in a small, affordable package. It uses a professional 20-bar Italian pump paired with a 1350-watt motor to pull surprisingly rich and aromatic espresso shots, especially when you dial in a medium to fine grind. In testing, the first thing that stood out was the body of the espresso. When the grind and tamp are right, the shot comes out with a thick crema and a pleasant rounded flavor that feels much more expensive than the machine's price tag suggests. The simple button interface keeps things approachable, so even if you are new to espresso, you are not overwhelmed with menus and obscure settings. The steam wand on the 3700 Essential is manual, which means you control the texture of the milk yourself, and that is both its charm and its challenge. With a bit of practice, the stainless steel wand can produce velvety microfoam that is good enough for basic latte art, and, more importantly, a creamy, well-integrated cappuccino foam. The wand has enough power for a standard home milk jug, and once you learn how far to open the knob and where to position the tip, you can get consistent foam without big bubbles. That makes the machine a decent learning platform for anyone who wants to actually improve their barista skills instead of just pressing a cappuccino button. Number 6. Gevi ECMG0. The Gevi aims squarely at the home user who wants more control and some semi-pro touches without jumping to a full commercial setup. It combines a 20-bar pump with pre-infusion technology and electronic temperature control using NTC plus PID, which keeps the brew water in the optimal range around 195 to 205 degrees Fahrenheit. In testing, that combination delivered balanced shots with a good crema, and the machine did a nice job avoiding the harsh bitterness that inexpensive machines can produce when they run too hot. A standout feature on the ECMG0 is the pressure gauge on the front panel. Unlike the CASABREWS 3700, you can actually watch the extraction pressure climb into the espresso zone, which makes dialing in grind size and tamp pressure much easier. When the needle sits in the sweet spot, the shots come out with a pleasant viscosity and flavor clarity that makes your cappuccino base taste more cafe-like. The pre-infusion stage gently saturates the puck before full pressure kicks in, helping to minimize channeling and leading to more consistent extractions. Gevi also leans into milk performance. The machine supports both hot water and steam, and depending on configuration, it can be paired with an automatic milk frothing system that makes cappuccino foam more or less foolproof. In practice, the steaming is strong enough to froth milk quickly, and the auto frother version takes a lot of guesswork out of getting the right texture if you are not confident with a manual wand. Number 5. CASABREWS CM5418. The CM5418 feels like a more refined cousin to the 3700, designed for people who want the same basic 20-bar, semi-automatic formula, but with more feedback and control. The CM5418 keeps the professional-grade 20-bar pump, PID-style temperature control, and manual steam wand, but it adds features like a pressure gauge that make it easier to pull consistent espresso shots. In real-world use, that pressure feedback immediately helps you understand whether you are grinding too fine, tamping too hard, or underdosing the basket. Compared to the 3700, the CM5418 handles back-to-back drinks with a bit more composure. The temperature stability feels tighter, so after steaming milk for a cappuccino, the machine is ready to brew another shot more quickly and with less risk of pulling something too hot or too cool. That makes a noticeable difference if you are making drinks for 2 or 3 people in a row. You spend less time babysitting and more time actually pouring. The removable water tank and drip tray are similarly convenient, keeping maintenance straightforward. On the milk side, the CM5418 steam wand has enough power to texture milk for true microfoam. And once you get the hang of it, the foam quality is very good for cappuccinos and flat whites. The wand angle and clearance work well with standard pitchers, and the steam comes on with enough force that you are not standing there forever waiting for the milk to heat. Four, Breville BDC650BSS. This is known as the grind control, is primarily a drip coffee maker with an integrated grinder rather than a classic espresso machine, but it deserves a place here for viewers who love milky coffee drinks and want something closer to a strong coffee and milk cappuccino style without diving into full espresso territory. With its built-in burr grinder and adjustable grind and strength settings, the BDC650BS lets you brew surprisingly rich, concentrated coffee that can serve as a base for cappuccino-like drinks when paired with a separate milk frother. In practice, the Breville excels at consistency. Once you dial in the grind size and strength setting you like, it will deliver the same profile cup after cup, which can be a relief if you are not interested in the steeper learning curve of real espresso. The machine measures and grinds beans on demand for each brew, helping preserve freshness, and offers multiple brew sizes, so you can make a single mug, a travel cup, or a full carafe. For a household where some people like straight coffee and others like to add steamed milk and foam, that flexibility is a big plus. The flavor profile from the BDC650BSS leans toward a full-bodied drip rather than the syrupy intensity of espresso, but set to a stronger dose, it gives you a robust, bold base that pairs nicely with milk foam. Number 3. Breville BES500BSS. This is where things start to feel seriously barista-grade in a compact form. This machine is built from the ground up to deliver proper espresso with minimal fuss. It uses precise temperature control, fast heat up, and a strong pump to pull shots that have the viscosity and crema you expect from a cafe. In testing, the Bambino Plus consistently produced full-flavored, balanced espresso once dialed in, giving cappuccinos a rich, chocolatey base that stands up well to milk. One of the Bambino Plus's biggest advantages is speed. The machine heats up extremely quickly, so you can go from powering on to pulling a shot in a very short time, which is ideal for busy mornings. Despite the compact size, it does not feel underpowered. Shots come out with good body, and the machine recovers fast enough to handle a couple of drinks in a row without the temperature swings that plague cheaper units. That makes it a strong fit for couples or small households. The automatic steam wand on the Bambino Plus is a standout for cappuccino fans. You can set your preferred milk temperature and texture, and the machine takes care of the rest, turning cold milk into silky, glossy microfoam suitable for latte art. For new users, this is a huge confidence booster. You are no longer guessing when to stop steaming or worrying about scalding the milk. For more experienced users, manual mode is available, so you can fine-tune your foam for different drinks. Number 2. Gevi ECMG0 La Specialista Maestro. This is often known as the La Specialista Maestro, a machine that tries to bundle almost the entire cafe workflow into one polished package. It typically integrates a grinder, advanced temperature control, and multiple brewing profiles to tailor the espresso to different beans and drink styles. In hands-on use, that translates to a system that guides you from grinding and tamping through to extraction with less trial and error than a purely manual setup. The EC9885M is designed with milk drinks like cappuccinos very much in mind. It offers versatile milk frothing options, so you can switch between classic cappuccino foam and silkier latte microfoam, adjusting the texture to suit your taste. Steam output is strong and stable, making it easy to achieve the dry, airy foam that defines a traditional cappuccino or a denser texture for flat whites. When paired with well-extracted espresso, the resulting cups are both visually appealing and satisfying in flavor. One of the strengths of this machine is the combination of guidance and flexibility. Preset recipes, pressure control, and temperature stability help newcomers get great shots without needing deep barista knowledge. At the same time, there is enough control left in your hands through grind adjustment, dosing, and shot volume that enthusiasts can still fine-tune their drinks. For a family with different preferences, that range of options is extremely valuable. Build quality also earns the EC9885M its high ranking. The metal-heavy construction, thoughtful layout, and multifunction display give it a premium, almost commercial feel on the countertop. 1. Miele CM 5310 Silence. This is a fully automatic espresso machine that earns the top position by doing something deceptively simple. It makes excellent cappuccinos with almost no effort and very little noise. The Silence name is not just marketing. Miele has heavily soundproofed the grinder and improved the overall acoustics, so grinding and brewing are significantly quieter than on typical bean-to-cup machines. If you share a space or make coffee early in the morning, that low noise level is a genuine quality-of-life upgrade. In the cup, the CM5310 delivers impressively full-bodied espresso and coffee with a syrupy texture and a clear, chocolate-leaning flavor when using quality beans. Reviews consistently mention notes of dark cocoa, hazelnut, and caramel, with a rich crema that holds its own against manual machines. For cappuccinos, that foundation matters. The espresso has enough depth to shine through steamed milk, giving you a drink that feels luxurious rather than diluted. Where this machine really separates itself is automation and ease of use. The front panel offers one-touch buttons for espresso, coffee, cappuccino, and latte macchiato, and the display guides you step by step if you want to customize strength, volume, or temperature. It grinds, doses, tamps, brews, and handles the milk frothing system for you, then runs automatic rinse and cleaning cycles to keep everything in good shape. For someone who wants cafe-quality cappuccinos without ever touching a portafilter, this level of automation is exactly the point. Final thought. That's all for today, folks.